Safety issues at Reggae Sumfest raise fresh concerns about the country's medical response systems. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News and our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kalisha Williams. Also this evening, Salvation Army to be monitored for a year to ensure compliance. And overseas consumers hunting Jamaican taste left disappointed by flavored coffee brands. There's also sports and weather in the newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.